Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the gorgeous family, then welcome gorgeous. I totally hope you hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video, because I upload videos daily, so you want to be notified so you can watch the new videos. So let's get into this Kylie Skin. As you guys know, I did a video on Kylie Skin when she first launched. I never picked up anything from Kylie Skin. Before it even launched, there was a huge controversy. There was so much drama behind it, the apricot scrub and all that stuff. If you guys don't know about it, watch that video because I spilled the tea. There's a lot of details in that video. I will link it down below. But yeah, so I never picked up anything from the skincare line. Now I'm kind of like wondering, the apricot scrub that's out, I'll never try that, but I've seen a few good reviews on people who were actually using it for like 30 days and just trying it out and seeing. So there's a few things I'm like, you know, maybe the moisturizer or the serum I would try, or the eye cream. I don't know. I still haven't picked anything up. Obviously, she hasn't even restocked yet, but I don't know if I'm gonna pick anything up. I'm just saying there's a few things I might try. I might give a try. The apricot scrub, that's out. The foaming face wash is out, but there were a few things that people were saying were actually pretty good. So yeah. Now she has launched Kylie Skin Summer Collection, which I am so sorry guys. I'm like trying to fix my camera here. I am so excited for you guys. It comes with an exfoliator, it comes with a lotion, and it comes with an SPF oil. Oh my gosh, like I love skincare. This is for your body. Of course, everyone wants to look nice in the summer. Obviously, Kim came out with the body foundation, and now Kylie's coming. Like, it's like they're just working together to put everything together. I'm excited for it, guys. I'm here for it. I even showed my husband the SPF oil, and he was like, okay, we probably will have to get that for sure. I think I'm gonna buy the whole bundle. I believe the trio is $88, I believe. I'm gonna check prices, of course, and then I'll have individual prices of each thing on here as well. But I'm excited for you guys. I'm gonna put her video just kind of talking about it. I'll put that at the end, but I'm really excited for it. I think that the products look nice. I'm looking down on everything. It launches 7/22 at 9 a.m. So I'm gonna have to set an alarm because you know it's gonna sell out fast. And she's also gonna, I guess, be restocking her Kylie skincare that day as well. She was like, what better way to just do it all together? Everything's cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, dermatologist tested. But I'm really excited. I don't know that I don't really use SPF because I just feel like I know everyone should be using it. It doesn't matter how dark you are, it doesn't matter how light you are, it doesn't matter your skin tone, you should be using SPF. And I'm like really trying to get into SPF now because I know I need to be using it. Obviously, you can get skin cancer, skin damage, all that stuff. So the fact that she's coming out with an oil, it's so much easier, and it's a spray bottle. You can just spray yourself and rub it in. Like, that makes it so much easier and fun for me because I really hate the cream. I hate rubbing it in. I hate when you get in the pool and then it starts getting in your eyes. Like, it's literally too much. So that's why I'm like, ugh, I don't feel like doing SPF. But it's an oil, so I'm definitely gonna go for that. The scrub, oh my god, I love body scrubs, you guys. Like, love them. Me and my husband just love skincare. Like, we love it. So the body scrub looks nice. She came out with kind of like that bigger squishy tube instead of having to scoop it out, which is nice because I hate when you get water in your jars and you're like scooping it out. So I think that she's doing really good with the packaging and all that good stuff. The lotion has that nice little pump. I do feel like for the price it could have been way bigger. Like, I'm looking at this here. This was $3.99, this big old thing, which is how big is this? It's huge. Obviously you see 20, it's like right here, 25.4 flow ounces, and this was $3.99, or you can get it for like $5.99 at Target. This is huge. So I feel like the price of her lotion, she should have came out with something like this big that's gonna last us. I mean, the collection again, $88 for a lotion, a scrub, and an SPF. That's pricey, but I mean, if you buy that stuff individually and you're buying high-end brands, you're gonna pay way more than that, because I know like Tatcha, they have an SPF that's like 65 alone. So literally, that's a pretty good deal on the high-end spectrum. If you're looking for something low-end, obviously that's going to be a little pricey. But again, I'm going to pick up the collection. Hopefully, I'm going to set my alarm and hoping that I can get on there on time and be there and just get it, because you know her stuff sells out like crazy. So set your alarm if you plan on getting it. Let me know down below what you guys plan on getting. You guys know there was a little, it's time to spill the tea. Time to spill the tea. You guys know there was a little drama again. I feel like Jeffree Star is just a hater, period. Like, he's always hating, he's jealous. And I guess when she launched it, Kylie posted about it, he wrote ha 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 ha, and then somebody called him out, and then he went back and clapped back. Like, it was a whole mess. And it's like, yeah, you have a right to your opinion. Obviously, I'm here stating my opinions and my thoughts about it. But when you're just blatantly out there being a hater about everything all the time, it's like, dude, like, come on, take a seat and be quiet. Like, I'm sick of you coming for everybody. You're annoying and you're racist. So just chill. So that's the little tea on it, guys. I had to spill a little bit, a little razzle dazzle tea, but that is it for this video. You guys are going to see Kylie talk about everything. I'm going to put a little video and clip of the whole thing so you guys can kind of see everything and see how it works and all that good stuff. But yes, again, I plan on picking up the whole collection. I'm excited for this, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you're getting, and of course, share this video and give me a big thumbs up. Let's go.
So it's important for me to make something that really works. So this has protected me on all my vacations. It doesn't feel too oily. It lays super thin. It just makes you look like glowy in the sun. It's really, really magical. Let's start with my body lotion, because this is my favorite thing ever. All my friends that have tried this are obsessed. I can never run out of this. It is my shit, to say the least. So everything has coconut oil in it. This has coconut oil in it, has sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, and oat extract, which all are very, very hydrating. So this really helps my skin. It actually also is perfect for spray tans. If you get spray tans, you know that your lotion is very important to make sure your spray tan lasts, and this is really bomb for that. Alright, this is my coconut body scrub. It is a sugar scrub, and I put it in this nice big tube. I just keep this in my shower, and it's a squeezy tube, because I don't really like sticking my hands in a jar, because then I get water in my scrub, so I made sure to put it in this nice packaging. So this is a sugar scrub. It also has coconut oil in it, so it hydrates while you scrub. When I use this in the shower, it kind of lathers and gets soapy. It's a very luxurious scrub. Love this. Love how it makes me feel. Love how it smells. It smells amazing. The best part about this, though, is that it has kiwi seed oil in it, which contains high concentrates of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin C, which hydrate but also improve overall firmness. So this is a great scrub. So this sunscreen, my favorite sunscreen, also has coconut oil in it and shea butter, so it hydrates while you are protecting. It has grapeseed oil in it, which helps your skin look youthful and healthy, and sunflower seed oil, which has omega-6 in it to help inflammation and redness, but also moisturize. So these are my 3 beautiful products. I know that you guys will fall in love with these. I can't wait for you to try. These launch on July 22nd, so I will see you there. I also wanted to talk to you guys about the first drop. My first drop for Kylie Skin also restocks on the 22nd. It actually will be ready a little bit earlier, but I wanted to do it on the 22nd, so everything just is available at once. And I know shipping costs and everything, so you will just be able to get everything at one time. So everything restocks on the 22nd, and also 3 new products are launching. I almost forgot. Now I want to show you guys what they look like. I only have one hand, so bear with me. So when you open it up, it looks like this. I'm going to take this little thing off. So I just put this on my hand. This is what it looks like, the color and everything. And it's super easy to squeeze out. I know this looks kind of funny because I can't rub it in or anything. I don't have anyone to help me today, you guys. But, all right, I have a little bruise, but this is my lotion. I feel like it disperses like the perfect amount. I put a lot, but to show you guys, but it's just like the perfect amount of thickness. It smells like coconuts. It's not too strong. It really is perfect. All right, so this is what the spray looks like. The spray is, I made it really easy so it, you know, you can get your body really fast. So I'm just gonna, it's a new bottle, so, and we're done. And it just looks amazing. It's so lightweight.